So, welcome once again. My name is Sudhir Gautam, and now I would like to call upon a special speaker from the NEC Corporation of India, leading one of the leading technology companies in the smart city sector. We have with us Mr. Pradeep Kushwaha, who's the General Manager and Head of Public Safety Business Unit with NEC Corporation of India. Thank you very much, Mr. Pradeep. Thanks for joining us. Welcome.
I hope you can hear my voice right.
Yes, Pradeep. So I would request we would have a special presentation from Mr. Pradeep. Over to you, Mr. Pradeep.
Okay, thank you, everyone. My name is Pradeep Kushwaha, and I am head of Public Safety Division in NEC for doing business in India. And today I'm going to take your 15 minutes, next 15 minutes, to give you a brief snapshot of what NEC is and what we are doing to make sure that we are partner to the government and ensuring that we deliver sustainable life for the citizens in India. So to start with, I have a small video. I hope you'll be able to hear the sound. I'm just going to play it.
Today, society is facing major challenges arising from rapid increase in world population, inequalities in economic and resource distribution, and more. NEC is already working to optimize available resources to bring happiness to people, using biometrics to ensure meals for children, raising agricultural productivity via e-vouchers. Our desire is to work together with our valued partners and customers to co-create solutions that address social challenges to help realize NEC safer cities. Creating a more safe and secure society for everyone, including watchlist detection by facial recognition. Helping to build a society that offers equal opportunities and efficient services. Enabling a pleasant and stress-free lifestyle. NEC provides diverse solutions from the ocean floor to outer space. And its global operations enable co-creation on every continent. NEC is a global leader in ICT. Its unique, #1 innovative technologies in biometrics and AI underpin solutions for society that create new social value. Together, for a brighter future. Orchestrating a brighter world, NEC.
Thank you. I mean, whenever I see this video, I feel very proud about NEC. It's a 120-year-old organization. It's a Fortune 500 global organization with more than $20 billion of revenue. And we are present in more than 160 countries with more than 1 lakh employees. What is most important here is that we are a leading innovator in the world, especially in the domain of biometrics. And I'm proud to say that more than 10% of our annual revenue is spent on R&D. And we are leaders into various technologies, and that yielded more than 64,000 patents that we have. In India, specifically, we are doing business for last more than 60 years, and we have more than 6,000 employees. Some of the marquee projects that we have delivered in India are major BRT IT automation programs in Pune, Ahmedabad, Surat, and Hubli. We are the core biometric service provider behind the Aadhaar programs. And we're also doing smart city and safe city for Hubli, Kalyan, Gurgaon, Trivandrum, and now we just started with Trivandrum. And we are the submarine project. We delivered the submarine project, Khani project recently, which Honorable Prime Minister inaugurated a couple of months back. Having said that, the most important point which we want to discuss today is that how does NEC deliver social value creation for smarter cities? We have 7 sustainable goals which we see when we create solutions, and they are in line with the UN goals for sustainable societies. And NEC is committed to realize a society that embodies the values of safety, security, efficiency, and equality. And we want to achieve a safer and smarter cities through three pillars of our offering. If you see this presentation slide, on left-hand side are the solutions which are arrived from the core technology, which is developed by NEC, which are identity management systems. And we deliver programs for criminal identification, facial recognition, border control, immigration, and surveillance. And the core of these are the identity management solutions that we have developed. And the middle part of it is the digital government, wherein these identity solutions are then rendered to deliver services for citizens to ensure that they live in a safe, secure, efficient, and equal society. On the right-hand side, we have also solutions for smart transportation, which makes life of the citizen easier and smarter, which is solutions for buses, automation for ticketing, for railways, a common ID card, and things like that. Overall, safety, security, efficiency, and equality is the common goal for all of our offerings to the market. Some of our success stories in India, we have delivered 4 BRT programs for Pune, for Ahmedabad, for Hubli and Surat. And at this moment, when I speak to you, we are delivering 5 smart city programs for Hubli, for Trivandrum, Gurgaon, Saharanpur, and also for Kalyan. Having said that, we have a lot of global credentials, especially in Japan, where we are leader in ICT programs. The integrated command and control center application and the services are delivered in more than 17 cities. And if you see the Japan map, what I'm trying to show you, most of the leading cities, they're using solutions from NEC. In Argentina, we are doing video surveillance and analytics solutions. So we not only put the cameras on the field, but also use that feed from the camera intelligently to make the law enforcement respond to the challenges of the city in a quick and informed manner. So this is covering almost every part of Argentina with more than 10 cities. Not only surveillance and smart cities, if you see this chart of global chart, we are doing disaster prevention in Japan. We are doing a large scale form analysis solution using AI. So, and then for example, in Texas, we are doing water pipe leak detection solutions. There are a wide variety of solutions which we are delivering globally. And we want to use this expertise and experience to what we delivered in global projects to bring them in India and deliver excellent project management here. Coming back to the core solution stack, which I want to discuss with you, is the integrated command and control solutions, what we have. And currently, we are in a process of working with the Trivandrum Smart City to work out the SRS and the functionalities of this project. And that we are proud to be associated with the Trivandrum Smart City to deliver this program. The main crux of this is that the integrated command and control center application should be interoperable, and various subsystems can communicate freely to each other. One city data should be enabled to talk to other cities and give a dashboard to the state management in a way that it is useful, and also in a way that it can be utilized to further make policy decisions. So the solution, what we offer, the application areas, of course, are smart governance, smart logistics, environment programs, utilities, public safety, intelligent traffic management, transport mobilities are the key application areas which can converge into a common control room application. But what we want to promote is that the application has to have a standard and open source component, smart data models, secure and multiple protocol support, and interoperable and scalable. And that is what we are bringing in on the table with a 5-year compliant program, what we are trying to build for Trivandrum Smart City. This will help, number one, breaking the silos, because most of the public procurement, they happen independently, and various MSIs or the solution provider, they work in silos. But then when we have a central control room application which is open, which can help to converge various silo systems, and then it will help the city to grow. It will enable interoperability, it will support secure access to the open data, and also it will foster data economy. We are in the next slide, I would like to present that this is very important for us, that the data, which is huge asset accumulated by various solutions that is deployed in a city are interoperable and should be used. In that direction, I think Indian government is also working towards that. And there is a program called Indian Urban Data Exchange under Ministry of Urban Development, where we are collaborating with them to create a stack which then could be leveraged by various smart cities together. And the key aspect of that is that it will have a joint adoption and contribution to standards. Global application development community will contribute to that, and then it will have common, competent, and share open source code. So this will help. So NEC solution for ICCC is 5-year based, and it is compliant to the IUDX protocols, and as it is based on common NGSI specifications. So I get to my end of my slide. I mean, the advantage of NEC is that we are a global ICT organization, more than 160-year-old, with more than 74,000 patents, with more than 1 lakh employees. And we are one of the top innovative companies in India. So we bring in solutions which are successfully been deployed in global map. And then we use those project management skills as well as the core technology and the cutting edge technology to India to deliver projects for the betterment of the society and also make the cities safer and sustainable. I think that's it. That was my time. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, I'm ready to answer.
Yes, the wonderful presentation, Pradeep. So you have the footprints across the globe. Besides the integrated command and control center, so it is touching upon the various intelligent traffic system. So now, besides the other smart cities which you're working in, what are the challenges that you face during the integration and its maintenance further?
I think the most difficult part in a city is that there are so many different stakeholders, right? So that's what we are trying to, bridge the gaps between various departments. Law enforcement is one of the critical department with whom you have to work. Then there is municipal corporation. There are water bodies. There are so many different organizations with whom we have to work. And especially when we do the field work, there are a lot of challenges in terms of getting approvals to deploy equipments and sensors on the field. That is, I think, one of the biggest challenge. I think the IT part of it, or the backend solution development part of it, we have a lot of expertise. The challenges, right? Most of the challenges, I see personally when I deploy projects in which are heavy in terms of field sensors, is the approvals to get permissions for cable laying and putting sensors. So I think with support from the Smart City mission, it had become easier. But still, I think that is the biggest challenge.
Okay, Pradeep, we're glad to hear you, and we are looking forward that you also there's a good progress in overall work of Trivandrum Smart City. I can see. At the same time, we see ICCC work, and Trivandrum would also go in a similar fashion. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you. Bye.